Yeah, it was built to drive. That was the utmost importance during the build. That was the first thing that Joe wanted out of the truck, is that it was going to be reliable and functional. I'm Joey with SquareBody Syndicate out here at LS Fest West 2019, showing off SSO2, our latest build. It's a tribute truck based off of the 1975 Indy 500 official track trucks. We had one of the three that were in this paint scheme with the strobe pattern. That truck was too significant to cut up, so we decided to do this tribute build and based off that truck. A lot of the sheet metal work was done by a local shop in Phoenix called Phoenix Hot Rod Company. The paint is from BASF. It's a single stage RM paint. Underneath the single stage paint is a black primer base coat, so that as the truck ages and patinas, it'll still mimic a factory look, because it plans on being out in the sun all the time with it and driving it. You know, as it gets road wear and chips and stuff, it'll chip just like the truck would have in '75. Anything chrome's been redone. The stainless trim from Marquet, it's crazy how laser straight that came out. Even a lot of we have a billet front grill there that GSI cut for us, one-piece billet grill. They also did there's a billet steering wheel. A lot of little hidden traits in there that just kind of help make it more comfortable, easier to drive, and give it just a sharper look, but subtle. The mechanical was done in-house at our shop by myself, Joe Yezzi, Rob Yezzi, and Dave Million. And it's just a labor of love that we spent a few months knocking out. So that's a LS3 platform. It was a new crate that we retrofitted to look like the iconic Keith Black motor that graced the cover of Hot Rod magazine, I believe October of '79. Joe Yezzi came up with the concept of the mechanical look, no paint, rounded all the edges, sandblasted the aluminum to give it that rough, rugged look. Did the gold Syndicate valve covers out of billet from GSI, kind of mimic the old Moroso covers. Anodized a couple pulleys red, did some A&N fittings, just everything that original motor that he loved had, we just replicated on this one, even down to the white jet-hotted headers, the hooker headers. Yeah, that's a tricky thing to do, because you obviously want people to know that it's an LS, but at the same time, nostalgic late 70s look was so important that it ended up, just coming out with a look that stumps a lot of people for sure. Yeah, turbines based on Mike Curtis from Curtis Speed cut those for us. That's another one of Joe's designs. He spent months and months researching different turbine, the Westerns, all the different options out there to come up with the exact, spoke count, the right transition, the point at the end of the spoke, and worked real close with Mike Curtis to come out with it, and then even down to the wrinkle paint from Pacific Coast powder coating. It's got a lot of Holley, and it's got the Dragon Claw clutch, the Holley oil pan, the whole fuel system, QuickTime bell housing, the Frostbite radiator. The plan is, as of right now, is to end up at Indy 500 this year. They asked us to bring it out there and show it off and put it in the museum. So it'll go there, and after that we'll have it out at LS Fest East. For sure, couldn't ask for a better show. This is definitely the best show to come to of the year, other than obviously LS Fest East. So we'll see you then.